Well guys, today we're going to take a look at this utility knife that I bought by Klein Tools. Lord knows I've got plenty of these, and in my almost 50 years of buying tools I certainly don't need another one. But anytime I see an interesting tool, whatever it might be, even though I have one, gotta buy it and I gotta check it out. And again, by Klein Tools, it is their flickable folding utility knife with impact driver. And this is a feature that I like right here. Blade locks securely at 135 and 180 degrees. And we'll show you that. And this is their number 44304. So let's take a look at the tool. We'll start at the side with the belt clip. Really nice. Seems very rigid. I'm not a big fan of belt clips, but for those that are, and like I said, it's very rigid. Should hold up really well. The body is made up of some kind of composite. Really nice. Very well constructed. And here we see the button that unlocks the tool. Pushed it in. Now they count it as a flickable. I don't really like to use that feature. It can be dangerous. And here we see the first locking position, which is 135. And I'll show you why I really like that. And then here we have the 180. Here we have an opening so that you can cut cord, string, something like that. You could use that for cutting that safely. And then, I'm not quite sure the reason for this, why they've included this bit driver like they have. Not really sure, but it does come out. It is impact rated, standard 1/4-inch hex right here. And then you have your standard 1/4-inch hex bit. And it's only supplied with a number 2 Phillips. When it opens, it locks. You can see the locking mechanism right there. So it's like a folding old buck knife or something, where you've got to push that back this way, thus releasing it. Now, I have looked at some of the reviews, people complaining that it only came with a number 2 Phillips, but this is 1 inch long. You can buy bits, hex bits that are 1 inch long. All you've got to do is replace it with whatever design head that you want. So it will fit in there. So I just thought I'd mention that. Obviously, you can't have 1001 tool. You want to make it compact. So again, buy a 1 inch hex bit of whatever head design you want, and it will work. And here you see it's got an opening if you want to attach a lanyard to it. Let's take a look at how easy it is to change blades. So you've got this button right here. And all you do is push down and pull the blade out. But let me show you what I really like about this knife is the ergonomics. If you're a drywaller, what I like, and I've done plenty years ago when I used to be a carpenter, but what I like about this is the fact that, look how ergonomic it is. When you hold it, and when you have it in the 135-degree position, like you see here, you can really get down and cut into your drywall to score it, to cut it, or anything else that you might be working on. I think that is a much better position a lot of times when you really want force, because here you've got to get up more of an angle. Think about this angle that we have right here. If you want to get in and cut like that, you have to be up high. But like this, you can have your hand almost parallel and really force down and pull. So that is a winning feature. Again, I like this. Very happy with it. And definitely glad that I bought it. Now, I bought this Klein tool at Lowe's when I was there recently, $14.98. And as can be seen, you can buy the same thing from Amazon for the exact same price.